Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA 5 crash or auto close issue using a few simple and effective methods that actually work. If your game suddenly closes without any error, start by restarting your PC to clear temporary problems. Then open your launcher like Steam or Epic Games and verify the game files to fix any corrupted data. Next, update your graphics drivers to the latest version because outdated drivers are a major cause of crashes. After that, disable background apps like overlays, recording software, or mods as they can conflict with the game. Now, go to your Documents folder, open GTA V, and delete the settings.xml file so the game resets its configuration. Also make sure your Windows is fully updated and install the latest DirectX and Visual C++ packages. Finally, run the game as administrator and try again, and your crashing issue should be resolved completely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.